Hi students, now we are going to see the term 1, lesson 1, the earth desolated home. 5th standard term 1, lesson 1, the earth desolated home. It was the year 2068. Now we are in 2020. It is happening in the future. What will happen in the future, that only are going to see in this lesson. Okay. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth. Now also we are using so many chemical fertilizers and the earth is polluted. So humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. So in the 2068, we are colonizing the red planet Mars. We are constructing the house in the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. So in that 2068, India established how many colonies? 3 colonies. Arivumadi's family lived in such one colony. Okay, Arivumadi's family is living on such a colony. On her birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. Okay, on her birthday, who is coming there? Her grandfather is coming. How many kilometers he traveled? 1500 kilometer travel and reach on her birthday. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. So he reached in time. She is slept on the capsule. Capsule means small cylindrical bed. Okay, small cylinder shaped bed, only called as a capsule. Okay, so she slept on the capsule. He said, wake up, Arivu. The grandfather is saying, wake up, Arivu. Arivumadi was surprised. Grandpa, when did you come? She is asking the question. Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday. She thought he will not attend the birthday party, but he correctly reached there. Okay, he shied. Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Okay, don't you know about the storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month. Okay, sometimes it will carry over for a month, but this time it did not. Okay, this time it is quickly over. So I am on time. It still took me three shows to reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. Okay, now come on, let's not waste time. We will go and harvest the vegetarian herb for vegetables. So we will go and harvest the vegetarian herb for vegetables. So they both of them went to the vegetable hab. In the hab, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore. Okay, these carrots are not tasty anymore. Like the ones I ate my childhood. Okay, in the earth only it is tasted. In the early ate in my childhood, it is very tasty, but it is here it is not tasty. Okay, so she asked, why do you, why do you why do you say so, Grandpa? Why you are saying like that? So the Ariyumadi is asking to her grandpa. Grandfather explained, the vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. So here you are here you are harvesting the vegetables, but it is not taste like as a earth. Okay, so the vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you have tasted them carrots from the earth. So she is wishing to eat the vegetables in the earth. Okay, so Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow her crops and vegetables on earth? So she is asking the question there in earth. The vegetables are very tasty. The grandfather said no. So she is asking the question to her father eagerly, very interestedly. Okay, interestedly. Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? How did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? So here grandfather saying the answer. Now the grandfather was sad. Okay, now the grandfather was sad. Okay, like he is missing the earth. Now he is missing the earth only. No, so the grandfather was very sad. He said the earth had fertile soil. Okay, earth had fertile soil. So the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. So earth is here suitable for the vegetable harvesting. So the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizer. Nowadays, there also the human fertilizers, the chemical fertilizers that they are using and polluting the soil. Here, we get the unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? So she is asking, there also nowadays the earth is polluted. they are using the chemical fertilizers. Now it is polluting, no? So she is asking, here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits and vegetables and water are not the same as the as in the earth. So he's again saying, laugh and saying, already I told you, these fruits and vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. So whatever in mass we are getting, it is not real. Arivi exclaimed, even the water? She's asking, and the surprised is asking, Arivi exclaimed, even the water? He said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. Okay. In Mars, we are getting the water. We are getting the water by burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from the rain. In earth, how they are getting the water? They are getting water from rain. It was natural and it was free. Now here you are giving the money and we are getting that water, but in earth, what else? It was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. So, enough, grandpa, stop it. Enough of your stories about the earth. I know the life there was easy. Okay, there was, yeah, I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. There remain alive. Okay, survival means they remain alive. So it was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting to mass is difficult. Okay, in earth we are living is easy, but adapting the mass is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily. Today we are getting, we whatever we are getting, we are fighting and we are getting here. So we got easily. He continued, in the earth you did not need a space suit and an that oxygen cylinders. There and all you no need to wear the space suit and oxygen cylinder. But here you are living means what and all want to wear? You want to wear space chute and the oxygen cylinder. Okay. Also, the years are longer here. There and all the 24 hours is one day. It is one day. The 365 days are there. But here the years are so longer. Arivu said, yes, grandpa. Okay. Arivu said, yes, grandpa. Yes, grandpa. In Mars, 687 days make a year. There, in Earth, 365 days make a year. No, 65 or 66 days make a year. But here, in Mars, how many days make a year? 687 days make a year. He smiled. Ha ha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on the Earth now. So, yeah, we are calculating means now the Earth, how many years? 18 years old on the Earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our earth, okay, we destroyed our home so that we are colonizing here. So the grandpa is thinking, thought he to himself, in mind it's he's saying, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us, okay, whatever given by us, it is given by nature, okay, has had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Now we are there fully, we are destroyed it here. Now we are trying to make us a home in Mars. Okay. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. Okay. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Okay, terraform means they are constructing the home. The process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make environment suitable for bar. Here they are changing the environment, whatever the condition they are living. That like they are changing that place. Okay, the Mars. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. But there, whatever we can think that will be able to do. But here it is not possible. True, but nothing can be on the earth. The earth is our home. Okay, so earth is our home. Oh, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Okay, this and all you now leave it. We can celebrate your birthday on time. So from this lesson, what you are going to say means this way you are continuing whatever we are continuing polluting the chemical fertilizers, whatever we are using this way you are following means what will happen one time the earth will fully polluted. We have to change the place to any other planet only. Thank you, students.